Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to be learning how to effortlessly access your Amazon Kindle library right from your iPhone or your Android devices. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, download the Amazon Kindle app and launch it open. Also make sure to sign into your Amazon Kindle account using your Amazon credentials. Once logged in, your library will be displayed at the very top. You can browse through your books, search for a title using the search box at the top, and then, once you make a search for a book, you can start reading it immediately. If you want to go ahead and find your library button, you should be able to see it at the very bottom of the screen once you open up your Kindle app. Get to the library option and you will be able to see all of your reads and the downloaded books. If you have a physical Kindle device, you can sync your library across all devices to pick up reading where you left off. By following these steps, you will be able to access your Amazon Kindle library on your iPhone or your Android device and enjoy a seamless reading experience wherever you go. So that's how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.